Hi guys, and welcome back to TACKET Tuesday. Today we're going to be turning our waterproofs from this to this. Much smaller and much more efficient. Let's have a look. Cool, so in front of me here we have the RAB Kangri, which is a Gore-Tex jacket. Quite a bulky package if you use it as a folded jacket, as you can see. But today we're going to look at a more efficient way of packing this. It's going to make it smaller and more accessible to you as the user. So the first thing we're going to do is put it out full. We're going to unzip it. This is so that it's nice and easy to get on if you need it. Then what we're going to do is we're going to bring the arms in, like so. And what we should end up with is a long, narrow strip, as you can see, with the hood at the top. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to roll from the bottom end towards the hood as tightly as you feel you want to until you get to the hood. Once you do, you're going to pull the hood up around what you've created and put the jacket in there. Lovely job. What you can do is use the tensioning strap on the back of the hood, which is used to fit your head, to also make this a slightly snugger package. Although if you leave it undone, it does make it easier to access. Now, going back to what we looked at earlier, which is unzipping the jacket beforehand. The reason we do this is it makes it far easier. If it starts raining, give it a pull, give it a shake, and your jacket is ready to go right back on if it's getting wet. There we go. So that was just a really quick look at how you can pack your waterproof jacket more efficiently. It's far quicker to get out, it's far smaller, and it's just much neater when it's in your rucksack. If you've got any questions or you've got any tips you'd like to share, pop them down in the comments. Also like and subscribe to the channel, it really helps us out. Thank you very much.